Welcome back, guys. Johnny here, and in today's video we're going to go over Realty Income, or ticker symbol O. Now, for all of you that have been watching, you know that I love REITs, and I have a huge portion of my portfolio which is REITs. Now, for all of you that don't know what a REIT is, it is a real estate investment trust, and they are obligated to pay 90% of their earnings through dividends to shareholders just like you and me. Now, REITs are also a great way to get into real estate without actually having a large down payment, worrying about filling with tenants, or having large overhead expenses, mortgage, insurance, vacancies, and all the headaches that come with actually being a landlord. So, Realty Income is one of those companies that I really enjoy and really love that I actually have it in my portfolio. We're going to go over some information on it today, why it's up, and some recent news, which is going to put this into your portfolio. It would definitely make you want to put this company into your portfolio if you haven't added it yet. Now, as you can see, I am using Webull. There is a link below if you want to sign up and get some free shares. But besides the point, let's get into some of the statistics of Realty Income. Now, right now they're sitting at $63.43, and they're up about 1% for the day. Now, I did buy only one share just to test the waters with this, but and to also do a video. But in the past, I have bought and sold Realty Income for quite some time, buying when it's low and selling when it's high, while collecting the monthly dividend that it pays out. Now, this is well on its way to going back up to its previous 52-week high of $75.40. Now, its low was around $55, and I did not quite catch it on the low end this time around. But catching it at $62, I can now add more to my position and ride it all the way up to $75. Then I can sell while collecting a dividend as long as I hold it until the ex-dividend date, which is 11/30/22, which has passed. The next one, I'm sure, will show that it'll be December 30th or December 31st, because again, it is monthly paying, and I will receive a dividend of 4.7%. That is our annual dividend yield, which gives me almost $3 divided by 12 months. So pretty cool if you do get into Realty Income O and have a few dollars to spend. Now would be the time to get in. Let's come out on the graph, and then we'll go into some more statistics here in a little bit. As you can see, for the quarter, it was just recently up to 75. It doesn't even look like it's actually been that long. It was at 74.90 in February of this year. So it has been about 10 months since it's gone up to its previous highs. But look at this. Look at this right here, guys. Beautiful. This is a beautiful chart. Now, this is a chart I would a chart and a stock I would recommend investors to buy in on and hold long term. You could have bought in with this company in 2009 for $9, $8, $7, $12. And they have been going up since 2009 significantly, with appreciation from the original price that you bought the company, as well as a monthly paying dividend for over 25 years. Excuse me. Now, that is pretty amazing. Over 25 years, they have been paying out this monthly dividend. Now, as you can see, there are some highs and lows. You know, everyone knows what happened here. This is when, stuff was going off back, in 2020, and it actually got all the way down to, it looks like, $33, $33.62. Now, from that, it has already doubled its price again because we are sitting at $63. So it's gone from $33 back in 2020 all the way up to $63.36 right now as I am doing this video, with potential to go up to $75 and beyond. I know before all this happened over here that they were price quoting it to $80, $90, which is just amazing. So if you did invest, and I know some of you did, and I know I did, and it was scary, but I was like, hey, I cannot not buy this for this price. Got in around like the $33 mark and was able to get out at the 70. I wasn't able to get at the 75, but I was able to get around the 70 mark back around April. And so that was a 97% profit on my investment. I made hundreds of dollars on just a few shares of this company, and it was awesome. Now, how do we do the same thing, right? Well, now would have been a good opportunity to buy when it went back down to $55 back in October, right? But we kind of missed it, and it has a potential to go down a little bit more possibly. But if you wanted to invest right now, okay, right now today, if you were to click on and get it in at say 63.46, right? Because it's going to be going up. If you watched it go back up and held it until it got to 75, which is what it's previously been at. If you see the 52-week high was at 75.40, that'd be a 17% profit on your investment when it appreciates to $75, while also getting a 4.7% dividend yield monthly. You get a monthly dividend yield. So 17% plus your 5, you're looking at 22% profit on your initial investment getting in today. Now, of course, that's going to increase as it goes up to 75, or say from 75 to 80 to 85 to 90, and then the longer it takes, the more dividends you're getting paid monthly and the more appreciation. This is a kind of company I would see my newbies or anybody new to investing or anyone asking me what they should invest in would be something like this. Now, Realty Income O is special. It's not like most Realty, and it's not like most REITs, right? Because they have commercial buildings like Walgreens and shoot, I had them all in my head a second ago. Walgreens, FedEx, and I think some Rite Aids and things like that. But they have 11,000 commercial properties with 72 separate industries throughout 50 states as well as Puerto Rico. So they're also in the United Kingdom and Spain. Now, these properties have long-term lease agreements with commercial properties. So these commercial buildings have, hundreds of thousands of dollars because they also have stocks. They also are in the stock. FedEx, they're in the stock market. Walgreens, they have a stock. So they have plenty of money to pay rent, which helps Realty Income O to be stable long term and give you these awesome setups to where you can get in cheap, and double, triple, quadruple your money in the long run. I really think Realty Income O is something that you would want to add to your portfolio. Their earnings per share is at a 0.866, which actually is beating their estimate of 0.33. Their PB is 1.48, and they got a free float of 626 million shares. Their free float market cap's 39.71 billion. I mean, their volume is 1.81 million per day. I mean, that's their average volume daily. So this thing is getting traded all the time. And their net debt is fairly decent at a 16.92 compared to their net assets at a 25.7. Their cash flow is just awesome. They're at a 1.13 for cash flow, which is great. And I mean, there's just this company has great numbers, even in the midst of these real estate bubble and, just all these things that are happening in the world. You know, with inflation and rents and everything like that going up, these guys are going to hold strong because they're commercial properties. They're not residential properties. And that's why I think Realty Income O would be a great company to add to your portfolio long term. The buy rating, 18 analysts are saying it's a buy. 16.6 are saying strong, 33% saying buy, and 50% are saying to hold. But if we're at a $63 currently, and we can get to an average of 68 or a high of 74, why not? Why not take the chance and invest? Even if it goes down back to 55, heck, even if it went all the way back down to 30, you know I'm going to be buying more. Because I bought 30 when it was at $33 back here in 2020. I bought $33. You know I'm going to keep buying. And these companies aren't going anywhere. People are going to need medicine. They're going to need to ship their packages. And it's just one of those easy long-term companies that you could just add money weekly or monthly, or just put a lump sum in there and then just forget about it for a decade. You know what I mean? And make some decent, good money. So if you guys enjoyed this video, smash the like button and leave a comment below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Definitely check out some of these other ones I have. There's one up here I'll leave that is the 5 REITs that you should definitely be holding in your portfolio right now today. So check that video out, and we'll see you in the next one.